It's a network of monitoring instruments called the Organics Detection System, and it's been helping protect water in the Ohio Basin and its major tributaries for the last 40 years. Now there's a new monitoring station located on the Elk River. The DEP's Mike Huff has the details.
It's not much to look at, just a box, some plumbing, and a computer. But the important work it's doing is happening on the inside. It's part of ORSANCO's Organics Detection System, which is a network of connected monitoring stations located throughout the Ohio River Basin. It's designed to detect the presence of volatile organic compounds at low-level concentrations in the water. The network began operating in 1978.
In 1977, there was an unreported spill. And since the spill was unreported, it moved along the Ohio River and did get into some water intakes unknowingly. And after the fact, ORSANCO and the water utilities determined to establish a network to monitor for these unreported spills and be more proactive.
The Organics Detection System has 17 monitoring stations located on the Ohio, the Allegheny, the Monongahela, the Kanawha, and now the Elk River. The system operates much like a smoke detector in your house.
When something is detected, we note the presence of something, we look to see that it is at a quantifiable level, which for our system, the quantifiable level are well beneath any finished drinking water standards. So we're monitoring the river water, the source water, or the raw water. What happens then is the ODS host site will notify ORSANCO. We also have the ability to remotely access the systems, but they're the first line of defense. So they will notify us that they've seen something or they've seen a pattern of a detectable compound, and then we will make the notifications to our downstream ODS partners, or actually other water utilities or industries of concern that have drinking water or drinking water purveyors.
The monitoring stations use gas chromatographs, which are a type of analytical instrument that can detect and identify a specific suite of chemicals from a sample of river water.
So essentially what it's doing is it's basically sniffing for these things, right?
Exactly, exactly. There are a lot of compounds that are colorless, tasteless, and odorless. So if you're not proactively monitoring, they may be missed.
The Organics Detection System is an extra layer of source water protection in addition to a water utility's existing monitoring systems. ORSANCO provides the equipment, and it's operated and monitored by the host facility. In this case, West Virginia American Water's Kanawha Valley Water Treatment Plant in Charleston. West Virginia American Water's Huntington plant has been part of the system since the beginning.
Particularly at our Huntington location, we have seen the benefits of this monitoring network time and time again. This partnership is excellent in that we can share information, and it's the downstream water utilities typically that benefit from that information as we are tracking releases and spills and seeing their impact along the river as the downstream users are anticipating and planning for what might be to come. We actually approached them about it because we are here on the Elk River. We are not the Ohio River, as ORSANCO's namesake is, so it was a request from us to them to see if we would be able to add this as another site so that all of the water users in between, from here in Charleston and everything in between through the existing network, might benefit from the data that we are able to collect through the site. And it also provides an additional level of data for our operators here at the water treatment plant, our water quality staff, and overall it benefits our customers having that additional layer of information.
In Charleston, I'm Mike Huff for Environment Matters.
While it was designed to spot unreported spills, ORSANCO's organic detection system is also used to look for chemical traces from known events, most recently the massive fire at a plastics recycling warehouse in Parkersburg. Monitoring sites on the Ohio near Parkersburg and downstream at Huntington ran a heightened schedule of tests on river samples looking for any potential compounds that may have entered the river as runoff from firefighting efforts. None was detected.